Around me we've got a new retaining wall, so we've been installing soil nails just to my right, which is a huge piece of work, and that's all about retaining the earthworks ahead of the track that's been installed for the new slow lines. And then we've been prepping the forecourt, which will be the new station access point.
So we're currently out on site at Bradley Junction. We're on week 2 of a 24-day blockade. We're currently standing on what is now the newly installed down Huddersfield. So we did that in week 1. As you can see to my left, we've excavated the formation for the new up Huddersfield, which will be taking place sort of towards the end of next week.
We are here at Huddersfield Station, where we've been working on different elements, starting with the footbridge. Works are progressing well. We've installed 1 of 2 spans and we're getting ready to open in the next few weeks. We are also working on the roof restoration and continuing with that is progressing well. Also working on extending it over the platform towards Leeds End. Behind the hoarding on my left hand side, we are constructing platform 4, 5 and 6 and also extending the subway towards the new platforms.
We're currently installing rail on the new up slow. We finished installing the new down slow. We're using Nicholas TRTs to install the rail on the up, and RSS are in to do the welding on the down.
Customers can still travel towards Manchester via train from Huddersfield during the week. Any customers travelling towards Leeds can catch a rail replacement bus service from Huddersfield to Brighouse and pick up any connections from there.
So wherever possible, we are trying to keep our customers on trains. Where that's not possible, we've got rail replacement services in the form of buses, as you can see behind me. So we've got an interchange here and an interchange at Brighouse.